Sometimes when you're working in Premiere Pro, you have a long clip which has multiple different scenes in it. For example, this clip has 3 different takes of a skateboard trick all in one. Sometimes that's just the clip you have. You have a bunch of footages in one kind of exported thing. And if you want to go through and actually cut those back into their individual scenes, you could do it by hand. I could kind of find the point where that happens right here and do it by hand. Or you can use the scene edit detection feature in Premiere Pro by right-clicking, going to scene edit detection. This will open up this menu and you can apply a cut automatically at each detected cut point using Adobe's AI. I believe it's powered by Adobe Sensei. You can also have the options to create a bin of subclips and markers if you want. I'll just add them all just to demonstrate. And when you click analyze, it'll analyze your entire sequence or clips and it'll automatically find the cut point in between. So you can see, since I checked all those features on, not only do we get the cut, that's basically what you'd normally get, but you can also choose to put markers, and you can also choose to separate them into sub clips that you can then drag out and use in different ways. But now we basically have these separate clips individually, so we can arrange them back as if they were separate, edit them, add color to them separately, whatever we wanted to do. So that's the scene edit detection, really useful to automatically split clips back into cuts based on scene changes. My name is Justin Odisho. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Stay tuned for more, and you can check out my playlist on my channel for hundreds of more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.